In this video, I'm going to show you how to move and replace a blower motor switch on an E-350 Super Duty van, located on the dashboard. To start, we're going to grab our driver's side knee kick panel. And it's just a pop, so we're going to pull it right off. Just pull it down like that, all the way around, and just let it hang. Now you can see this interior, it's going to pop off. But in order to get it all the way off, we're going to take that shifter and we're going to move it down, put it in the on accessory, pull it all the way down. You're going to hear that dinging for a little bit, but all you got to do is pull this cover off. So grab your whole dash trim and pull all the way up around the top. Disconnect the negative, and that's an 8mm wrench or socket. Give it a twist and lift it up. Set it aside. So now that we've popped that panel off the dash, this is the dimmer switch. We're going to unplug this first and work our way across to the passenger side of the vehicle. So right here, and you'll see the plug. So you reach up in there, find where the tab is, and pull it off. Now we can work our way right over to the center. So now that I'm over here on the passenger side, I'm going to reach in and grab that airbag light and then the actual indicator. Pop that tab, pull. Now we're at the charger. It's like a 12-volt charger. Find that tab. There we go. All right, this one is facing the driver's side, the tab. And now we have another cigarette lighter, actually. Tab's facing the driver's side. Push in on it with that. All right, now we have the vacuum controls right here, which we're going to leave attached because I think I can move that out more. And here's the blow motor switch right here. Take a screwdriver, pry that, pop that out. There we go. One last one over here. So now I'm going to disconnect the vacuum for that control, heater control from the inside. Just pull on that, disconnect it right from there. Now we can take that whole unit out with that faceplate. One more little switch down here. There we go. One screw holds the switch in. It's mounted right there, and it is a quarter inch drive socket. Now, there's a little tab right here, so you're going to just slide it counterclockwise. Bring it to the front and grab that switch. Pull on that switch. It's easy to do for both sides. Instead of taking the knob off first, I like to have it, the switch comes right out much easier. And we're going to reverse the procedure. Eyelet goes on that mounting screw, so put the switch right into that hole and give it a twist. Tab's there, tab is there, the mounting screw. And this is the front blower motor switch. This does have a rear, and you can see the difference. 5 tabs to 4 tabs. Line up the flat spot, guide it, and push it right on. Okay, now we're ready to put the dash back in. Now we're going to install our dash cover or plate. go. Okay. Grab that vacuum hose, reattach that first. Kind of stuff those vacuum lines right in there. You don't want to fold them or pinch them, shall I say. Okay. Now, heat of control. I'm just going to work my way right around. Blow motor switch. Rear blow motor switch. Okay. Last one. Then we'll do the dome light dimmer switch on the driver's side. Now we have the dimmer switch on the driver's side. Okay, now we're clear to start pushing all the tabs in. Now just the driver's side knee kick panel. And make sure it's in park, keys in the off position, and now you're clear to connect your negative cable. Reconnect our negative battery cable. Make sure it's down snug. Take our 8mm socket or wrench, and we'll tighten that right up. Make sure it doesn't wobble. Good to go. So now let's see if our switch works. Key on. We'll just put it on vent and turn that blower on. Oh yeah, you can already hear it. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.